sneeze, but I'm trying to back as long as I can. Oh, it wasn't very long. I'll try. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again, but no. I'm bad holding back, but I'm trying the best I can to keep it in as long as possible. I'll have to blow my nose a little. No, I'm not want to sneeze now. Wait a little longer. Oh, no. I don't know how long I can hold it back. Suddenly it come over me and I can't hold it back anymore, but I'm trying as I'm trying as long as I can, but I don't think I managed it. Oh, I'm got it. Oh, it disappeared. I don't think I succeeded very well, but oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. No, wait a little long. Wait. When I can't hold back anymore, I am trying to catch my sneezes in a blue hanky, but it seems as I'm not fast enough to move my. I wish I could hold back a little longer, but when I try to hold back, it makes my sneezes much more powerful, and then it's more difficult. Oh, I gotta sneeze again. Oh, then it becomes more difficult to hold back while. At least I managed to catch it in the hanky. But it also make my nose and my eyes running a little. Oh, I'll have to blow. Sorry. I think I should have brought more than just one hanky. Trying to hold back seems to make it seems to make it seems to make it run a lot more. Oh, if I can't. If I can't succeed in holding back, maybe I can try to stiffle. I'm bad at stifling too. At least. One. All that sneezing makes me a little dizzy. Oh, I think this will be the last one, if I can get it out. Easy back. Oh, I'll have to blow again. Sorry. Oh, I didn't mean to blow so much, but I had decided it should be a video without blowing, but the holding back thing and the trying to stiffle unfortunately make my nose running a lot more as usual. Oh, I don't think more sneezes is there. One last blow. Oh. Thank you for listening.